Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed posting videos. I've been out of the country. I've been strong. So many things have just been going on with me, but I'll try to upload as often as possible henceforth. All these the videos I'll be posting for maybe the next 2 weeks. I already filmed before I traveled and before all this sickness thing started, but so you'll be seeing my videos I already made, but I couldn't edit because I've not been feeling so good. Anyway, so in today's video I'm making oven grilled chicken. I just blended a bunch of spices and vegetables to get the marinade for the chicken. So the first thing you need to do is to pat dry your chicken with a kitchen towel, paper towel. Pat dry it make sure it's very dry, and I'm using the soft chicken. This will cook faster. So in another blender I blended bell pepper, Scotch Bonnet, onions, seasoning cubes, smoked liquid, salt, oil, thyme, curry, and I think I added Cameroon Pepper, the powdered one. Yes, I just blended that. I didn't add any water. It was the oil that blended the thingy for me. Anyways, so after blending, I just poured it inside the I poured it on the chicken and used my spoon to mix the entire thing together. You really need to really massage the blended mixture into your chicken, then leave for about maybe 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours if you want to eat it on time. But if you still have time, if you're not in a rush, you can marinate it overnight. That was what I did. So I just covered it with a plastic bag and left it in the fridge to marinate overnight. And trust me, that's the best because everything will enter there's no running away from it. Anyway, so I just brought out my oven, what's this thing called? The plate I put in the oven, and I arranged my chicken inside and used I used the thingy to apply more marinade on the chicken, and I added potatoes into it. I don't know why I added it, I just wanted to add it. Anyways, after adding the potato into it, I placed it in my my oven for 30 minutes, I think. 30 minutes. Then I checked it off camera. I think I wasn't satisfied yet, and I left it there for about 15 minutes extra, so everything was about 45 minutes, and it turned out so well. It was so juicy, it was so tasty, it was spicy, just the way I like it. I love spicy food. Everybody in my house likes spicy food. So that's what I did. It was so nice. I really enjoyed it. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments, and before you take it out of the oven, finally, when you're checking it, you can still add, if you have more of the marinade left, just add it into the pour it on the chicken so the chicken gets more flavor. So thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll edit all the videos I already made before this whole thing started and try to post more often. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much. Bye.